Hello friends, how are you? I think you are all fine. So today I will teach you how to make stockpile surface and stockpile volume in Civil 3D. First of all, I have a DWG file. It is opening now. As you can see, this is a stockpile. Okay. Now I will show it in 3D. So I have to type 3D rotate. As you can see, I have some points of a stockpile. First of all, I need to make a surface. As you can see, the first option in the tool space is stockpile, the name of the file, then points, then point group, then surface. I have to right click on the surface, then it gives me some option of create surface. I have to click it. Now give the name of the surface. Suppose stockpile 1. I have give the name of this stockpile as stockpile 1. Then click on OK. Then go to the surface again. It takes time for creating the surface. Okay. As you can see, the surface has been created as the name of surface 1. Then I have to minimize it, maximize it. Okay. Then I have to define the objects. So going to the drawing objects, I have to add. I give a description in 1. Okay. So I have to choose the object for making the stockpile. Okay. Going to the surface first, then I have to put the name. As you can see, the stockpile name is stockpile 1. Then I have to maximize the options. Then going to the define, then I have to choose the drawing objects. Add any kind of description value or any kind of name you can give it. I give here 1. Then I have to choose the objects. Choosing the object, I have to right click. As you can see, the surface has been created. See this. In details I have to see. I need to click the surface first, then right click, then go to the object viewer option. As you can see, in the object viewer option, the 3D model of the stockpile has been shown. Then simply close it, or I can change the surface. Okay, this is fine. If I see the viewer in shades of gray, this is good to understand what is the shape of the stockpile. Okay, then I close it. If I need to show, if I want to show this in the KML file for option version or KML option in the Google Earth, then how could I make this? Simply, it is very simple to make the KML in Civil 3D. I need to go to the second option of the tool space bar, settings, then click on the name of the file, which is stockpile. Right click, edit, drawing settings. I have to choose. Then all these things I don't need to any kind of adjustment or any kind of change. Simply I need to define the zone of the stockpile. I know what is the zone of the stockpile. I will simply choose in the option ATM, WGS80 datum. Then I need to choose the coordinate system. As I know, the coordinate system is 45 south. I need to define this. Okay, then click on apply, click on OK. Then go to the last option of the tool space menu bar is toolbox. Going to the, I will first, when I open the toolbox option, they give me the two main functions. Okay, one is report manager and another is miscellaneous utilities. I have to choose the miscellaneous utilities. Then maximize it. I have to choose now the export KML option. Maximize it. Simply right click on the export KML option, then simply execute. As in the general option, it gives me the name of the file, which is stock file. Then click on next, then object. I don't need to choose anything, change or anything. I need to uncheck all this thing. Okay, now I have to, and the second option is object. I don't need to change anything. Okay, then click on next. Simply, as you can see, the drawing coordinate system of the transform has been dictated is UTM WGS8490 zone 45 north, 45 south. Okay, which I defined before. Then click on next. I will choose this option, elevation relative to the ground. Then click on next, then export. If I need to view this, I have to click on view. As you can see, the file is opening. So I have to choose from it the model. So as you can see, the model is coming to the actual position over the KML. So I hope you understand how to make a KML from the Civil 3D. If I need anything, I need choose an extra option. Okay, this time it's flying above the ground. Okay, see the next option, another option, sea level. See, now it is coming on the ground. I have to choose the second option if I need to see on the actual ground. As you can see, this is a stock file. I have created in the Civil 3D. Now it is shown in the 3D model view in KML, also in the Google Earth Pro. So I hope you understand today's lesson. It is so easy and so satisfying to see a stock file like this or anything, any object in the Google Earth. Thank you so much for your kind timing, and please, if you like my videos, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to comment, and last to share. Thank you so much.